The vacuum cleaner, a household staple today, was born out of necessity in the early 20th century. In 1901, British engineer Hubert Cecil Booth invented the first powered vacuum cleaner, a massive horse-drawn device that cleaned homes through long hoses inserted through windows. It was cumbersome and impractical for everyday use, but it set the stage for future innovations. A few years later, in 1907, American inventor James Murray Spangler, a janitor suffering from asthma, developed a portable vacuum using a fan motor, a soapbox, and a pillowcase. His invention was the prototype of the modern upright vacuum cleaner. Spangler later sold his patent to William Hoover, whose company popularized and refined the vacuum. The vacuum cleaner revolutionized household cleaning by making it easier, faster, and more efficient. It quickly became an essential tool, drastically reducing the labor required to keep homes clean.